Namaste everyone. Today we're gonna practice how to do Mayurasana. First of all, we know the benefits of the Mayurasana. It will help to improve our digestion system and it will improve our blood circulation and purify our blood. And it's very good for detoxify our body, like especially our kidneys and liver. So, how we can practice Mayurasana? First of all, come on your mat if you wanted to join me. We have to make our chaturanga strong. We have to need little arm strength like this. Come on your mat, come into plank position and come into first chaturanga like this. If you can hold this position at least 20 seconds or 10 seconds, that means you can make it Mayurasana. So just do it like this. In the beginning, if you are very beginner, just drop your knees down and you can do like this. Otherwise, just do it like this. Do it this exercise at least 5 or 10 times, or you can move your wrist like this. The second exercise, we have to make our wrist little bit flexible, then we can hold Mayurasana and any hand balance exercises properly. So just press like this or just press like this also. This exercise will help to improve your wrist flexibility. That is very important in Mayurasana. So do it like this. Hold 5 seconds or 10 seconds. You can move your upper back like this. Then little massage your wrist. So we will know what is the position of the Mayurasana. You can just put your fingers backward like this. And second important thing, if you wanted to do Mayurasana, you need to make your shoulders little flexible like this. Your shoulders, your elbow should be very close. You can touch your elbows together and just do this drill. And if you can do this, this is our position. When we will do Mayurasana, we have to hold this position and our entire body weight will become in our wrist and our elbows and our forearms. So this is the position. You can do like this or you can little bit open your fingers outside. It's depend on you. So now I'm going to show you how to do Mayurasana, how you can attempt. So just go like this, elbows close, look forward. You can inhale and exhale. But while you are performing the Mayurasana, in the final position, you can hold the breath. I like to hold the breath like Kumbhaka. You can do Kumbhak. And I'm going now to attempt Mayurasana. Like see. Inhale and exhale. And slowly come back. In the final position, you can make your breath normal, but it will help you if the important thing is your core should be very strong. Just see how your core can be very strong because this is the foundation. Our wrist, our elbows will be here. So we need to make a strong foundation here. If this thing is very sleepy or not strong, so you can't make it properly. So you can do one abs exercises also to improve this practice. Just bend your legs and like this you can lie down or just open your legs and bend it again. Repeat these exercises. So like this, if your core is not strong, then you can make these exercises. So it will help you. Especially feel the part of your close to the navel. This should be very strong. Like this. Like this. And you can hold this position. And repeat as much as you like. If you feel your core is now enough strong, then you can attempt Mayurasana. And if you have any problem like related to you have any operation in your stomach, and the pregnant lady not should be perform this practice, and if you have any brain injuries and brain tumor, so don't try to make this posture. And that's enough for today. Hope you guys like it. Thank you. Namaste.